Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Obo Basins. In these times, we're stuck inside for such a long time. I looked around my room and I was just disappointed. So I just wanted to do a complete remodel, complete revamp of it, switch it up, and I wanted to take you guys along for my journey. So now let's do a quick tour of my crib. Alright, so first, starting off with the overlook of the room. As you can see, it's clearly a crackhead edition of a Los Angeles apartment. So here is my desk area, my drawer, which is completely cluttered, my fire shoes. I'm gonna add some more to my collection. My books, you gotta be smart. My weights, gotta get the summer body popping. Here goes my crusty bed, my beats, my fire closet. So now that you guys have seen how much I'm trifling, let's get to the remodel. So first I'm gonna start out with clearing out the area. I have a lot of stuff in my closet and on the floor, obviously. And I just wanted to clear out the area, clear out the space so that I'll be able to successfully clean the floor and lay down the foundation. I'm gonna record and show you guys how to install the Home Depot peel and stick flooring that I'm gonna put in. Alright guys, so what I did is, since I do live in an apartment and I'm not able to actually modify the floors myself whenever I want to, I do have to put down a different type of flooring just to protect the carpet for when I move out. So that's what I'm doing. I'm using the cardboard boxes from the actual flooring, and then I also have other cardboard boxes from other things that I've ordered in the past. Okay, so now that this area is mapped out, now that this area is covered, now I'm gonna just map out how I want my floor to lay, and just map out like exactly where things are gonna go. Alright guys, so now that I have it mapped out a little bit, I'm gonna start actually putting it on the ground. Remember this major key. Always take snack breaks. Since I'm gonna start peeling and like permanently putting it on my floor, I want to measure out the second row because you want it to be a a scattered pattern. And then cut it. And then use those pieces to scatter around the pattern. Here we are. Got the line. Just get some heavy duty scissors, cut straight across, and then use this as a template for your other panels that you cut. Now I'm gonna officially put the first piece down. First piece down. I just wanted to give you guys a quick tip. So I've messed up a couple times. It's not too noticeable. What I found to help is just work from the corners and work from like the exact edges so that there's not a lot of space in between, like over here. All right. So I wanted to take the time to tell you guys a little bit more about the product. It's a Tope Oak 6-inch by 36-inch peel and stick vinyl plank. The finish, it blends seamlessly into any space. It's an easy peel and stick installation on both the plywood and concrete, and it has a strong 4mm clear top wear layer for residential areas, and it's a really nice floor. It's 97 cents per square inch per square foot, and it's $34 per case. I spent $100 for my order, and it covered 117 square feet. So guys, so almost done in the home stretch. All that's left is the closet, and after that I'm finished. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. I'm very happy with it so far. I'm not done with my room, but you know, once I get all my other things that I ordered online, like my desk and my chair, it's gonna look great. It's gonna look real good. So, peace.